lovers, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing this birthday look that I did for my 19th birthday, which is today. And one quick thing about the giveaway, I'm not going to release the winner until I actually receive the products. I'll also put it on my Instagram, which you will find down below, and that will probably be in about a week. So if you guys want to see how I did this look today, then please keep watching. All right everybody, so I already did this eye and here is what it looks like. It is super glittery and I absolutely love it. It's a perfect look for my birthday. So now we are going to do the other eye. I'm going to start with filling in my eyebrows with my Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Pomade in Black Brown. So here is the eyebrow all filled in, and now we are going to carve it out with my Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation in the color Creme Brulee and my Vasanti 2 eyeshadow brush. So here is the finished eyebrow, completely carved out and everything. And now we're going to get started on the eyeshadow. And I always put a piece of tape because I like to have my eyeshadow having a very sharp line when I take it off. So I'm going to be using 3 palettes today for this eyeshadow. I'm first going to be using my Violet Voss Vibes palette, and I'm going to be taking the shade called Flamingo, this pink shade right here, and put it on the brow bone. And then I'm going to be taking this shade right here called Radical, and I'm going to put that in my crease and blend it out. Then I'm going to do a cut crease, and then on that cut crease I'm going to be putting my NARS glitter primer on it. And then I'll be taking my Colourpop Gimme Butterflies palette and take this shade right here called Overpacked, and that is the glitter of this entire look pretty much. And then I'll lastly take my Violet Voss the Rainbow palette, and I'm going to be taking the shade called Violet, this nice purple shade in the middle, and then we're going to apply that purple shade on the outer V area just to blend in the purple in the crease to Overpacked on the lid. And then once I have that pink shade all on the lid, I'm going to take a smaller brush like this and use it to blend it further up the brow bone. Alright, so now that pink shade is all blended out, we're going to take the purple shade called Radical and put it in the crease here and blend it up. But now we're going to take my Vasanti 2 eyeshadow brush and my Huda Beauty Faux Filter Foundation one more time and do a cut crease. So now I'm going to use my NYX glitter primer and apply this to the lid, and then I'm going to take the shade called Overpacked from my Colourpop palette. So now I'm taking my Violet Voss the Rainbow palette and taking Violet and putting this in the outer V area. And then I'm only putting it a little bit because I want the main focus on the main glitter shade on the lid. Alright, so this is what it looks like now. So we're going to take the tape off, and this is what we are left with. So now I'm going to do a very thin line of eyeliner. As you can see on this eye, it's super thin, and I'm going to do that, and then I will put on the eyelash. Alright, so I just put the other eyelash on, and it keeps coming up in the front, and I keep putting more glue on it, and I keep trying to press it down, but it's not staying down. I don't understand why. So now we're going to do my face makeup. I'm going to use my Maybelline Master Conceal Concealer in Fair. Oh, and I also applied highlighter to my brow bone and inner corner, if you didn't tell. And I'm just going to apply it underneath my eyes, my nose, and my forehead. So now I'm going to contour with my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette, and I'm going to use the lightest dark shade right here. Then I'm going to apply my NARS blush in the color Desire, and it is a hot pink shade. It looks like this. And then lastly, I'm going to apply my Anastasia Amrezy highlighter. And if you want to see what it looks like this. And I almost forgot, for the eye makeup, I'm also putting some glitter liner as well on the very top. You can't probably really see it unless I turn my head, but it just adds a lot more pop to the upper part of the lid. Alright, so that is the glitter liner on the lid. You can now see it. So now the makeup on the eye is complete. So now I'm going to contour and also set my face with my Airspun Loose Powder in Naturally Neutral right here, and I almost lost it even though it was right next to me. But I'm going to set my face and then contour and put blush and highlighter on. So now for the lower lash line, I'm just going to be putting some mascara on them. And then to finish off the eye, I'm going to line glitter on the eyeliner. And now we're ready to do the lips, and then I'll do the close-ups. So for the lips, I'm going to be using my Revlon Wine Lip Liner. It's in the color Wine. And I'm going to line my lips. So once we have the lip liner on, I'm going to use my Revlon Ultra HD Matte Lip Color in the color Eternity. Probably look weird talking with the lip liner on. Alright everybody, so this is the completed look and the completed lips as well, since I just did them. So if you guys want to see the final look, then please keep watching. So if you guys like this video, give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe by pressing that link in the top right of the video. And I'll see you lovers in the next one. Bye.